In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your posts in Facebook. Maybe you shared something by mistake, or you've changed your mind about a post and just want it gone from your timeline. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through a simple, clear process to remove a Facebook post by sending it to the trash. I'll also explain what each option means so you understand exactly what's happening to your content. First, open Facebook and go to your own profile. This is where you can see the posts you've shared, including text updates, photos, videos, and links. Scroll down your timeline until you find the specific post you want to delete. Take a moment to double check you've selected the right one, especially if you've posted similar things more than once. Once you've found the post, look for a small icon with 3 dots. On most devices, you'll see this in the upper right corner of the post. These 3 dots open the post options menu. Go ahead and click or tap on that 3-dot icon. When you do, a list of actions will appear, such as editing the post, changing the audience, or hiding it from your profile. From this menu, look for the option labeled Move to Trash. This is Facebook's way of letting you remove the post from your profile without instantly erasing it forever. Click or tap on Move to Trash. At this point, Facebook usually shows a confirmation message to make sure you really want to do this, because it affects what others can see on your profile. In the confirmation box that appears, you'll see a button labeled Move. This is the final step to send your post to the trash. Click or tap on Move to confirm. Once you do that, the post will disappear from your timeline, and people visiting your profile will no longer see it. Behind the scenes, Facebook keeps trashed posts for a limited time before permanently deleting them. During that period, you may still be able to review or restore them from your activity or trash settings, depending on Facebook's current design. But for everyday use, you can think of Move to Trash, followed by Move, as effectively deleting the post from your profile. And that's all there is to it. Open the post, tap the 3 dots, select Move to Trash, and then confirm by clicking Move.